Hi, my name is Imogen.
And my name's Jade, and today we'll be singing Adele Set Fire to the Rain.
So I hope you guys enjoy it. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, and until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they will never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. Well, it burned while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better.